Okay, so hey guys, so I just made marshmallow slime. You can see, just made marshmallow slime. So I'm not talking to myself. I'm recording on YouTube. So I just made marshmallow slime and I added glue, baking soda, and contact solution. So I'm 21 Savage. Look, I'm 21 Savage. I'm gonna get sick. No, I'm not. It's just literally just microwave marshmallow. I don't wanna make you guys hungry, but sorry. Just literally, all you do is make it with some noodles and cook it in the microwave. That's how I make mine. I usually put chocolate in it. But I'm gonna more marshmallows.
I don't know another shirt.
Another shape. That. Sorry, my remember
The corner?
that.
The corner? It's not a shape, but it makes a shape. The corner?
Not the corner. That.
This?
That. That.
What?
On the thing. On the thing. Never mind. You can't see. Nope. Usually play with it.
Wait, that a TikTok video?
No. YouTube.
Yeah.
Usually play with it. Like, wee.
I'm looking for a shape in here.
Whoop. Wee. Whoop.
Yeah.
You hear me talking to you.
Tell us how you make homemade
I'm
marshmallow.
looking for a shape in here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, and I just
I'm looking for a shape in here.
red, white, white, go like black, white,
I don't know where that belt went.
or blue. Show
Fine
up
shape.
your nest
Yeah.
flamingo. Oh, 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 oh.
This?
If you want the colors, that's cool. So
This?
Is it one of the shapes on your paper?
I'm being stupid. I'm about to end the video right here, but I thought of it. Nope. It was still gone. So black, white, green, or blue. Show up your natural flamingo. Oh, whoa, whoa. If you want to go, that's cool too. You guys want to follow? Yeah? Put in the comments if you want to follow. But bye bye. Black, white. Hold on, I gotta do something.